Data science has a wide range of applications across many industries. Here are some examples of popular applications of data science. 1. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics involves using historical data to make predictions about future events. Data science techniques such as machine learning and time series analysis are commonly used for predictive analytics, and can be applied to many different domains, such as finance, healthcare, and marketing. 2. Fraud detection. Fraud detection is a common application of data science in the finance industry. Data scientists can use machine learning algorithms to detect patterns of fraudulent behavior in transaction data, such as credit card fraud or insurance fraud. 3. Recommendation systems. Recommendation systems are used to make personalized recommendations to users based on their past behavior and preferences. Examples of recommendation systems include movie recommendation engines, music recommendation engines, and e-commerce product recommendation systems. 4. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is a subfield of data science that deals with the interaction between computers and human language. NLP techniques are used to build chatbots, sentiment analysis tools, and language translation systems. 5. Image and video analysis. Image and video analysis involve using machine learning and computer vision techniques to analyze and interpret visual data. This can be applied to many different domains, such as medical imaging, autonomous vehicles, and surveillance systems. 6. Supply chain optimization. Data science can be used to optimize supply chain operations by analyzing data on inventory levels, production rates, and shipping times. This can help companies reduce costs, improve efficiency, and better respond to changes in demand. 7. Customer segmentation. Data science techniques can be used to segment customers based on their behavior, preferences, and demographics. This can help companies tailor their marketing and product offerings to specific segments, and improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. These are just a few examples of the many applications of data science. As data continues to become more prevalent and accessible, the potential applications of data science are only going to continue to grow. Sure, here are some additional examples of popular applications of data science. 8. Healthcare analytics. Data science is increasingly being applied to healthcare to improve patient outcomes, reduce costs, and optimize operations. Data scientists can analyze electronic health records, medical images, and clinical trial data to identify disease patterns, predict patient outcomes, and optimize treatment plans. 9. Energy management. Data science can be used to optimize energy usage in buildings and other facilities. By analyzing data on energy consumption, weather patterns, and other factors, data scientists can identify areas where energy usage can be reduced and develop strategies to improve energy efficiency. 10. Social media analysis. Social media platforms generate massive amounts of data, which can be analyzed to gain insights into consumer behavior, sentiment, and trends. Data scientists can use social media analysis to inform marketing strategies, identify influencers, and monitor brand reputation. 11. Sports analytics. Data science is increasingly being used in sports to improve player performance, inform coaching strategies, and predict game outcomes. Data scientists can analyze data on player performance, game statistics, and environmental factors such as weather to gain insights into the factors that influence game outcomes. 12. Environmental monitoring. Data science can be used to monitor and analyze environmental data, such as air quality, water quality, and weather patterns. This can help identify areas of environmental concern, track the impact of pollution and climate change, and inform policy decisions related to environmental protection. 13. Autonomous systems. Data science techniques such as machine learning and computer vision are being used to develop autonomous systems, such as self-driving cars and drones. These systems use data from sensors and cameras to make decisions in real time, and can adapt to changing environments and situations. These are just a few more examples of the many applications of data science. As you can see, the potential applications of data science are vast and varied, and are only limited by the availability of data and the creativity of data scientists.